Hey, I'm Alexander, and this channel is dedicated to honest and comprehensive reviews of headphones, IEMs, decks, amps and microphones. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. After evaluating my new work schedule and my creative process, I decided to build a versatile desk where I could work, participate in audio and video conferences, make presentations, record and edit my YouTube videos, listen to music, test new headphones and occasionally play some games. I was limited not only in budget, but also in space, and I also had a metal base from my old table that I wanted to reuse in my new desk project. The tabletop that suited me in terms of budget, texture and color unfortunately was only 60 cm wide, so I decided to sacrifice a little bit of desk width in favor of beauty, and I have ordered a tabletop measuring 150 cm by 60 cm. The first thing before I started the build was putting my JBL LSR 305 studio monitors on stands, and this helped me to free up to 20 cm on each side of my future desk. Next, I have installed the LED strip on the edges of the table. Given the fact that I have white walls in the room, this solution allows me to create a very cozy background light around my table. The LED strip I used is a generic one, but it has three advantages. It is USB powered, it comes with a remote, and it integrates just fine with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Next, I installed the dual monitor stand. Considering the fact I was planning to use this desk as my work desk too, I have also added an HDMI switch to be able to switch one of the monitors between my work laptop and my home PC. I have also added a USB hub and port switch to quickly switch the keyboard, mouse and other peripherals between two computers. Then I have installed the second monitor stand to use it exclusively with my Canon M50 camera. By the way, this part was inspired by Caleb Pike. This was done for two reasons. The first reason is that I don't need to use a tripod behind my desk anymore when I shoot a YouTube video or live stream from my desk. The second reason is having camera 90% of time on my desk allows me to turn it on and instantly record my video ideas without wasting any time on camera setup. The camera is connected to USB hub and port switch, so I can switch it between my work and home computers, and thanks to the latest software update and dummy battery, I can now use my Canon M50 as a webcam. To install the camera on the monitor mount, I used an extender tripod so that I could adjust the camera height, and I have also installed a ball head on tripod to be able to change camera angles. The Moto M2 audio interface was back on the desk, and it's now connected to my JBL LSR 305 studio monitors as well as my trusted Sony MDR 7506 headphones. I have also added a simple and powerful Bluetooth receiver transmitter that's connected to M2 audio interface. This allows me to use my Sony WF-1000XM3 Bluetooth headphones directly with my PC when I'm moving around my flat. I have also installed the toner microphone boom arm that holds my Electro Voice RE320 microphone. The second monitor was installed on dual monitor mount in portrait mode, and I use it for Twitter, Instagram and different news feeds. The desk also hosts my work laptop, my mechanical keyboard, my mouse and keylight remote. My FiiO X7 Mark II digital audio player also lives on the desk when it's not in use, and sometimes I also use it as an alternative deck with my PC. That's all from me for today, and I really hope that you like this video. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to click the notifications bell. See you in the next video. Goodbye!